Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a high sugar, moderate fat diet to stay ripped. And it was a fun day. We went out to Steelhead Falls. It was about 90 degrees. This is about an hour from Bend, Oregon, and they have cliff jumping. So I started at 1 p.m. with watermelon, super refreshing, delicious. Then at about 2:30, I had cherries, nice and hydrating as well. And then just after the cherries, I had some peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's bread with some pistachios. And then when I got home at 5 p.m., I made a banana date smoothie. This had 3 dates. It had a half a cup of almond milk, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and I had 5 frozen ripe bananas that I thawed in hot water for about 4 minutes to defrost. They'd go right into the smoothie. And there it was, super delicious and satisfying. Next up at 7 p.m., I had a green salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, apples, carrots, tomato, and avocado with a bowl of lentil soup. And then for dessert, I had some berry sorbet. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. It has some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.